fucked up. Todd's looking right now like, what the hell did I get myself into? He messed up when he let him drive.
Oh shit.
Oh, I feel like I'm gonna flip this thing for real.
Yeah.
Like I really do. I think you should drive.
Wait, but say it again, Jake.
This scares me.
This is easy.
No, we're not going crazy. We're keeping it cool today. I trust you.
Something on my face.
I don't know if I do.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something a little different, something different that doesn't happen on the channel. Well, let's say it hasn't happened on the channel in a long time. For those of you that have been long time subscribers, we used to do some off-roading on the channel, and something that I'm super excited to bring back to the channel, courtesy of Jake from State Farm, or Jake from Southern Tire for some of you that know him that way. Huge shout out to Southern Tire for sponsoring today's video. We're gonna have a great time today. We're gonna do some off-roading. I'm sure you can tell by the title and the thumbnail. I'm beyond excited. It's been a long time. I've worn some clothes that I don't care about getting dirty. I've even well, I care about getting my Southern Tire hat dirty, but maybe I'll just talk to my guy and get a new one if we get it dirty today. Because I think if we get the hat dirty, that's a good thing, right?
We're getting dirty for sure.
We're getting dirty for sure is what he says. You're gonna be in the video today. I'm breaking you out of your comfort zone. Jake's gonna take us off-roading today. Tell us a little bit about this turboed Polaris.
If the devil himself could design an off-road vehicle, it would be this one.
Oh.
It scares the living shit out of me. Right, I'm bleeping my own stuff out now.
So the goal today is I've got a new series coming to the channel in the next couple of weeks, and the goal today is to make a trailer or a preview video for some bigger guests. That's the goal. We're gonna start bringing guests on the channel, and we're gonna, with some pretty big followings, we'll put it that way. Something, we're stepping out of our comfort zone, and today's the day that we're gonna film and just, we're gonna show the people what we can do.
We're gonna see if they can take it.
We're gonna see if they, exactly. So today, we've got a guest with us today that we're gonna take off-roading today, but I'm super excited. How much horsepower do you think this thing has?
About 196.
100, we'll say 200 horsepower for a Polaris, which is honestly almost as much as my truck has, probably. My truck probably ain't but 320 or something like that, especially with those tires. Do we have both sets of tires with us today, or just the one?
We only have one set today.
And these are gonna throw mud everywhere.
Where we're going today, we're gonna need them probably. I don't know, it's been raining a lot. We'll see. It could be muddy, it could be not muddy, I don't know. But I got the tires either way. So the problem is the battery's been dead on it because it's been sitting in my yard for a month. So,
hell yeah.
I charged it earlier and we'll see. We're in.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. We're gonna have some fun today. So, let's go meet our guests. For those of you that haven't checked out yesterday's video, make sure to go follow Hellboy on Instagram. Cleanest truck in Atlanta, hands down. Go follow him. And we got the bow tie over here too. No, the bow tie is not getting muddy today. I'm sorry. Christina would kill me. I can't do it. I don't want those issues at home. Happy wife, happy life.
He finally got me on video.
This is my guy. This is my guy. Here, well, let's turn around this way. The lighting's better this way. So our special, very special, very near and dear to my heart
Special ed.
guest today We got Ty from the studio. For those of you that don't know, we got a studio in Atlanta that we film all of our podcasts at, and me and Ty have just become great friends. And today, like right now,
You got me on camera.
I got you on. This is a big day. I've got you on
Yes.
camera, so
And
the
you
people
finna
know
put me
that
on
you're
4
real.
wheels. Yeah,
I'm about to put you on 4 wheels. We might get you on 2 because I haven't even shown that yet. Did you? Or no, that's 4 wheel. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. There's 4 wheels on that. I'm such an idiot.
Hey, I'm gonna say it.
This is something special. Jake's filming right now. Ty's on camera. I got you on camera today. It's been a crazy ass day. What are you gonna do to us today? So me and Ty, we're going off-roading today. In your words.
Well, we're gonna strap in as tight as we can strap in, and then I'm just gonna give it hell. I don't know. We'll find out. If we flip, we flip. It's got a roll cage. We're good, right?
Yeah, right.
I
was just fucking around, but okay.
I was excited. I was excited until he said if we flip, we flip.
We will not flip as long as I don't flip.
We flip money, not trucks.
Exactly.
I like that. I like that. So
Yeah.
we wore some clothes that we don't care about getting dirty today, and we're gonna send the hell out of it. That's the goal.
Send it.
Take it in the mud, send it.
Are you sure?
If-
It's going to be cold. Are you sure you can handle it?
Yeah, I'm good.
Well, you are from Florida, so I just want to make sure.
I don't like the cold. If it's below 70, I'm cold.
It's 55.
But we've got a 200 horsepower turboed Polaris, and we got a 4-wheeler. So, and there's some other people meeting us there too. So
Yes, it's going to be good. It's going to be a good day.
It's gonna be a great time. Stay tuned.
There's going to be some bread out there too if you want to.
We should have brought loaves of bread. That would have been great.
What's the bread gonna do?
We get this bread, baby.
Say it. You got to say it. Say it.
In the words of Alex, look at this bread, baby.
No, it's let's get this bread. We got a certain level
Yeah.
of bread.
It's a plan more than anything.
All right, let's
yeah.
try it. So,
No. We'll save it for the end. We'll save it for the end.
Okay.
Save it for the end. I'll see you when we get there.
All right.
Yeah, he's away for a big road right now. He ain't gonna take shit.
What problem? I ain't scared of him. I ain't scared of nobody. I'm from Atlanta.
Man, right there, ain't it?
So we pulled up to the spot. They're all freaking out because they got some kind of DOT truck over there, but I think we're gonna be okay. So we got the 4-wheeler and the side-by-side down that way. Jay's definitely not getting his truck dirty today. That's not a possibility. My truck's not getting dirty, but we do got some other people. We got 2 other people showing up with some either side-by-sides or 4-wheelers. But we got a nice little dirt patch here, and then we got some mud across the way over there. So we're gonna get unloaded. We're gonna get everything set up, and then we're gonna get to it. Man, I'm excited. He messed up when he let us drive.
Yes, no idea.
It's getting low.
No, only low when there's a trail and hills. You can hit high, that's where you get the fucking double
Put it in
effect.
high.
Well, hey, but look, there are seatbelts, and I planned on pulling out of the behind the seats more.
We'll be all right.
I was looking for those.
I was gonna pull them out before we ramp up this shit over there.
That's fine. Thought we were in reverse, goddammit.
Oh, I see it. Right here.
Yeah. You wanna hold the camera?
Yeah. I got it.
You can see like what it's recording. Oh shit.
All right, this is our first test run.
They don't actually like
Oh shit.
Woo! We're in trouble. We're in trouble. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna flip this thing for real.
Yeah.
Like I really do. I feel like I'm gonna flip it.
Shit. Whoa.
I should not be driving right now. I really should not be driving this. All right, so I think what we're gonna do to get the best reaction is we're gonna let Jake drive and we're gonna take turns.
I fuck with that.
You like that idea better? Okay.
My heart just stopped already.
I think you should drive. I want to do donuts and shit.
Not the right tires for that.
Oh, okay.
Do that on another episode.
Let's go. So just go easy. My heart just stopped, y'all.
I don't want to mess the grass up. It's like way too fast. Anything normal. All right, drive him around a little bit.
Wait a minute, say that again, Jake.
This scares me. I think you're.
If he's scared, I'm scared.
Reaction when you're driving.
So you can't go too fast because I'm holding the camera.
This is actually the first time I've ever driven this before.
You what?
It's the first time driving this. Is it fast?
Just don't drop. Just don't drop the
Just
camera.
don't drop the camera. Just don't flip us, okay?
I really.
Your reaction too.
No.
I'm not trying to get too crazy right here. I will.
No, we're not going crazy. We're keeping it cool today. I trust you. Oh, shit.
I lost my head.
This shit is powerful. He lost his hat.
It's a Southern tire. It's a valuable hat. I don't want to lose it.
Shit. This thing is fast. Go easy. I'm scared. Go easy, please.
I got you. This is easy.
Shit.
How about that? It's good? You
My
wanna go
heart
again?
stopped 5 times. No, I'm out. Holy shit. All right, guys.
Over in the
Got
Razor.
some big mud on that bitch.
Now you're having a clue. I thought-
Absolutely.
Get the seatbelt up.
All right. Yeah, we might need a seatbelt for this one.
See, I have my seatbelts hidden. I don't usually need them because I'm such a good driver and all.
See, I wasn't scared beforehand, but now I am.
You shouldn't be scared.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't like driving though.
I have the safest harnesses in the game.
Do you really?
Yes. I guess. My seat's up too far.
Oh, I can't even like reach for it to the camera. Oh.
There's too many beer cans behind my seat.
You're good, you're good. Let me just make sure I got this in right.
Alright, so how hard do you want me to go? Are you gonna get scared or, I mean, seriously?
No, you can send that shit.
Alright.
Let me not forget my camera sitting right here. I can't even reach.
Alright. We're going fast or we're going up, crawling up it?
I say let's crawl up it first. And then after that, you do whatever you want.
This is where you would normally use like low.
I'm scared. Oh, not the mud. Oh.
Shit, I forgot you had the camera.
You're good.
My feet are soaked.
So I got boots on.
Look, it's that white bow tie.
Is that white bow tie?
Oh my God.
I think I got something on my face.
I don't know if I do. These glasses cover my entire face. They're special edition.
I can't even see my camera lens.
I'm gonna go from Ken Block to just like normal Ken.
Yeah, next time we'll have to mount a GoPro right there.
I forgot about the camera, bro. I'm so sorry.
Oh, no, you're good. You're good.
It may not be good. Like, really.
No, it'll be all right.
It may not be good. We went through the mud completely over the windshield.
It stopped recording at one point. We hit a jump, and then we went through.
Dude, I saw Jake jump the fucking hill.
Did you get video of us jumping over that little hill right there? Did you zoom in on it?
Because it knows that.
All right, guys, I appreciate everybody coming through. Jake's fixing his hair. Pretty boy Jake over here. Huge shout out to Southern Tire for coming through today. If you guys like the content, if you guys like it, like and subscribe, smash the like button. I love you guys so much. Y'all been showing a lot of love on the videos. Again, huge shout out to Southern Tire. Best lift wheel tire all around company in Atlanta. They're not even in Atlanta, and it's the best company in Atlanta. Huge shout out to those guys. Huge shout out to them for sponsoring today's video and allowing us to come out. Huge shout out to my guy Ty over here. That's at Ty Sanders on Instagram. Ty's the fucking GOAT. Y'all don't know it, but Ty's the GOAT. I'll see y'all next time. Let's get this fucking bread.
It's bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about.